Ángel Alonso.
Psycho Smilovic.
Julian Shaw.
Tamuga Marudin.
Sing a song, or tell us which food best represents your country.
If I would be a good singer, I would not work in the IT areas. It's cevapcici, which is a meat.
It's the classic Maultasche.
Pizza.
Oh, I have something here. I have something that represents my nationality. It's an extinct bird.
The dodo is an extinct flightless bird that was endemic to the island of Mauritius, Esset of Madagascar in the Indian Ocean.
I think if I do this, you will see where.
How does your work impact the world?
New technologies, new ICT possibility led to good advantages through the pandemic.
Right now, the pandemic shows us that digitalization is very important.
The technology helped us to stay connected even during these times. It feels good to know that I'm working for a company that is helping the world to stay connected.
From my perspective, we are really lucky that we work for a company which is giving this ability to have people close to you, even though they are not, let's say, really close to you.
Having everything closer, like education or the healthcare, and having the possibility to access that. Previously, you can go there and you can be physically present, but these days, unfortunately, it's not the case. So, communications, and in this case, Huawei is helping to bring these services home. That also the environmental part now, how to protect the planet. I think this is a key part. When everything was switched down and everybody was under lockdown, we saw how the planet was just flourishing. And I think this is just a wake-up call for everyone, that we have to protect it.
What's the most surprising thing about working from home?
There are some people I talk with like daily, on a daily basis, like for 1 hour, but never saw this person in real life.
And so last week I was at the office and I was talking with one girl, and then I asked her, "What's your name?" And then she told me her name and I was like, "Ah, it's you."
During this home office situation, I was able to develop a huge gardening skill, which I'm now growing some sunflowers and tomatoes on my balcony.
And I must also admit, like Julian, I'm trying my garden stuff, but I don't want to say I'm successful. I don't want to over-exaggerate. Yeah, let's say I'm still in the trying phase.
My kids, they just pop up and say hi to the audience. It's like, hey, hi.
So you feel like very connected on a personal level because you're there in their house virtually.
How does Huawei handle data?
So those things that usually you read from the media are just rumors as far as when it's about personal data and privacy protection.
I can basically just repeat what Psycho just said. I think our company has proven over the years that they are a responsible partner to our customers, and there was no issue related to some security stuff at all, anytime.
When I have questions from customers or from my relatives, I really don't speculate. I just talk about fact. This is fact and the technical facts here. So I don't talk about rumors or I don't talk about any kind of speculation.
What's the best word to describe working at Huawei?
I was never used to see people sleeping at their workplace, to be honest, to use their break, to refresh. So I thought at the very first day, wow, there must have been a big party yesterday, which I just missed. I started one day too late, till I figured out that it's normal.
We celebrate at the office, we celebrate Christmas, we celebrate Chinese New Year, we celebrate really all the traditional holidays from Europe and from China.
And I think we are, at least from the Spanish point of view, that we are getting close to the Chinese in different topics, like for example the family or the relation with the family. I think in that sense we are more alike than we thought. But this is the multicultural environment. And by the way, in Spain we don't take naps anymore during work time.
And as well, the thing which I like, which they brought from probably, which I saw in China, It's like every achievement you do, they recognize it. They give you like I can have something here. Give you like tiny thing like to to show you that they are happy with you. So which you don't really find that in the European companies.
And also these little gifts are like super nice. You're absolutely right with it.
What was the first gadget you ever had?
We had a computer at home, but the CD player was the first thing that I specifically asked my parents to buy for me.
The Tamagotchi, if somebody remember. I don't know when I had one. I think when I was 6 years old or something.
For me, the first gadget I had was a walkie-talkie. This was just the toy we had when we were kids. Actually, I was playing with my brother, and we had that, and it was fun.
When I was like 12 years old, because it was needed for my school.
Commodore C64. It's a computer which was created, I think it started in the 80s, but so I bought it, or I received it from my parents in the 90s, early 90s. They really had to grab a lot of money together because they said whatever you want to learn, if you think they'll help you and it's something you're interested in, we want to support you.
What are you most looking forward to doing now?
We will absolutely go directly inside of one pub in London, I think.
And I know it's not readable, but it's the beach with my family. So really to have some holidays, and I mean real holidays.
To take some days off again after the pandemic to see them all.
I just want to meet all my family and my friends. They are all over, so just the possibility to meet them and hug them would be fantastic.
I think for me, I would say even my country, you know, it's very, very far from here. At least the beach, the warm weather there. So yeah, I wish everything goes down, the pandemic goes away and then I can fly back to my country.